2018 Lincoln MKC is an extravagance smaller hybrid that is a relative esteem contrasted with others. It's a SUV with every one of the comforts, yet without the cachet. Gaze at the 2018 Lincoln MKC for a really long time and you may be tricked. The smaller hybrid SUV nails all the extravagance points of interest inside, however barely looks like it all things considered. Much the same as its general score of 7.0, the MKC is about there. The inside is exquisite, yet the outside isn't as brave as its cars. Its standard hardware is great, however its well-being scores are dragging it down. The MKC is accessible in Premier, Select, Reserve, and Black Label trims. Base models aren't based by any stretch of the imagination. Control movable warmed front seats, a 8.0-inch touchscreen for infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto similarity, keyless start, double-zone programmed atmosphere control, remote begin, blind-side screens, and leatherette upholstery are for the most part standard. The base motor is a 2.0-liter turbo 4 that makes 240 strength and 270 pound-feet of torque. It's evaluated up to 23 miles per gallon consolidated and is imparted to the Ford Escape, which the MKC is to a great extent in view of. The discretionary 2.3-liter turbo 4, which doesn't show up in the Escape, is hugely capable and uproarious fun, if that is what you're searching for. Appraised at 285 horsepower and 305 pounds-to-foot, it's equipped for 0 to 60 mph, keeps running in under 7 seconds and is mated to all-wheel drive as it were. For front-situate travelers, the MKC is exceptional in execution. The material quality and format punch higher than one may anticipate from the extravagance arm of Ford. Race-situate travelers might be horse exchanging for space with front-situate riders. The MKC isn't particularly roomy toward the rear. For first-time extravagance purchasers, little families, or discharge nesters, the MKC could be perfect. The back seat overlap down to open up 53.1 cubic feet of room in the freight region. Debut trims begin at about $34,000. While Black Label models can venture into the mid-$50,000s without breaking quite a bit of a sweat.